Here, good morning to everybody. Class 8, polar form of a complex number. Polar form of a complex number. Polar form z is equal to r times of cos theta plus I sin theta. This is the polar representation. Take one figure, that is here xy plane is there. In the xy plane, let P be a point representing on non-zero complex number z. Here let P be a point representing a non-zero complex number z is equal to x plus iy. Z is equal to x plus iy. X plus iy, or write any a plus ib also. Both meaning same. X plus iy. X axis is there, y axis is there. Here non-zero complex number z with Argand plane. Argand plane with this is the argument is there. Argand, scientist name Argand plane. Here it's make an angle theta. It's make an angle theta with the positive direction of x axis. It's make an angle theta with the positive direction of x axis. Then z is equal to r times of cos theta plus I sin theta is called polar form of a complex number. Is called polar form of a complex number. Here z is equal to r cos theta plus I times of r sin theta. This is represent x, this is represent y. This is x plus I times of y. Z is equal to. Here this represents x, this represents y. That is x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Or sin theta. Here that is x square plus y square is equal to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Here r square taking common, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Because cos square theta plus sin square theta is always 1. Is always 1. That is x square plus y square is equal to 1. Here 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, that is r square as it is. Here sin square plus cos square is 1. Therefore r square is equal to x square plus y square. Here r is equal to square root of x square plus y square. This represents what? This represents what? Do you know that z is equal to x plus iy or a plus ib? Both meaning same. Z is equal to x plus iy is there. His x represents the points. Here y represents the point. Coordinates. X coordinates, y coordinates. X represents, y represents. Z is equal to x plus iy is there. This is the polar form of a complex number. Same represents, this part is x, this part is y. Real part is x, imaginary part is y. Here x value, here y value. Suppose x square plus y square. X square plus y square is equal to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. R square taking common, cos square plus sin square value is 1. That is x square plus y square is equal to r square, cos square plus sin square value is 1. Therefore, r square equal to x square plus y square. This represents what? R is equal to, this is the definition of modulus of z. Do you know that modulus of z is what? Square root of x square plus y square. Then result is what? R equal to square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. This form is what? Square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. Which definition? That is, which definition apply? Modulus of z. Yes. This is the modulus of complex number. R is equal to modulus of z. Equation number 2. Here to find R, next here this is polar representation of a complex number p r comma theta, that is the polar form. First to find R, second to find theta. That is modulus of a complex number is over, that is this is the modulus symbol is there. The next is to find theta, that is next that is to find theta. Let x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. That is r sin theta divided by r cos theta is equal to y by x. Y by x. R get cancelled. Sin by cos is what? Tan theta is equal to y by x. Because sin theta by cos theta formula is tan theta. Here suppose one function is there, f of x is equal to y, x is equal to, this function take right side, that is f becomes f inverse of y, f inverse of y. This can be written theta is equal to, this tan take right side, tan become tan inverse of y by x, y by x, y by x. Here let x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. R sin theta by r cos theta is equal to y by x. R get cancelled. Sin by cos formula is tan theta, that is y by x. If you theta as it is, function tan take right side, tan become tan inverse. Any function left to right becomes inverse. tan inverse of y by x. This is the value of theta. Here this theta is called as amplitude of complex number, or argument, another name, argument of complex number. Modulus subject represents modulus mod z. This is theta represents amplitude, r represents modulus of a complex number. That is, theta is called amplitude or argument of a complex number. Here amplitude, another name, argument, that is Argand plane, that is scientist name, argument of a complex number. Here next represents, that is note, that is z is equal to r times of cos theta plus I sin theta. Here this r is called modulus of z. Understood? Means modulus of a complex number, that is r. And this theta represents amplitude or argument of a complex number, of a complex number. Here, that is modulus of z represents square root of x square plus y square, and here theta is equal to, here represents what? Amplitude is equal to, that is tan inverse y by x, but argument always positive and its take modulus. Tan inverse y by x, always positive amplitude represents. That is modulus and amplitude of the following complex number. Some basic concept keep in your mind. Here this theta represents in different quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Here suppose theta in different quadrants. Suppose theta in different quadrant, where is what? X, y is there. This is the first quadrant. Here this is second quadrant. This is third quadrant. This is fourth quadrant. Here this is, both are positive. This is negative, positive. This is negative. This is, here x is positive, y is negative, positive, negative. Depend upon quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Amplitude is what? Here theta represent a amplitude AMP means amplitude of z is equal to, that is tan inverse of y by x and its modulus. If this represents here in this theta inside the quadrant, that is this denoting is what? Alpha. Inside. If amplitude represents in quadrant, that is first quadrant, theta is equal to direct alpha. Alpha means tan inverse of y by x and its modulus. This read as, reading is very important. This read as alpha is equal to tan inverse of y by x and its modulus. Here second quadrant, that is theta is equal to pi minus alpha. Alpha value, right? Pi minus tan inverse y by x and its modulus. This is called modulus. Understood? Read as tan inverse y by x and its modulus. In third quadrant, theta is equal to what? Minus of pi minus alpha. Minus of pi minus alpha. Minus pi, minus minus, plus pi. This can be written in the form of what? Here minus pi plus tan inverse y by x and its modulus. Next, fourth quadrant, that is theta is equal to what? Minus alpha is equal to minus tan inverse y by x and its modulus. Here modulus is fixed. Modulus is fixed, that is square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. But theta, amplitude, AMP means amplitude or argument. Amplitude depend upon quadrant varies. Depend upon quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. First quadrant both are positive, theta is equal to alpha. Alpha means tan inverse y by x and its modulus. Second quadrant, theta pi minus alpha, pi minus alpha, pi minus tan inverse y by x and its modulus. Third quadrant, theta is what? Minus of pi minus alpha, minus pi, minus minus, plus pi. Minus pi plus alpha means tan inverse y by x and its modulus. Theta is equal to minus alpha minus tan inverse y by x and its modulus. Here just this all referring one key point is there. Keep in your mind just one idea. Suppose here quadrant. Here don't by heart it, this one. Just I will take one trick is there. Just don't worry. Here first, second, third, fourth. First, second, third, fourth quadrant. Here first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Understood? Here keep in your mind, that is theta is equal to direct alpha. In this place alpha. Here pi minus alpha theta. Here theta is equal to alpha, amplitude alpha pi minus alpha. If you keep in your mind 2, first is alpha, second is pi minus alpha, its opposite down at negative, minus alpha, minus of pi minus alpha, where alpha represents tan inverse y by x and its modulus depend upon theta. Here first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Keep in your mind just two values, alpha, pi minus alpha. These positive at down take negative. Alpha becomes minus alpha. This is minus of pi minus alpha. Alpha replace tan inverse y by x and its modulus. That is the here quadrant values. Amplitude. Understood? Any doubt? Okay. Here that is values, that is here represents amplitude represents quadrant, that is here quadrant first quadrant both are positive, here theta means amplitude of z, that is first quadrant theta represents alpha means tan inverse y by x and its modulus. Here for in your notes, here one print notes is there, all of you got that print notes, that is one table is there, keep in your mind, that is one table, page number 11 is there, that is the table. It's keep in your mind that table, perfect for the 3 marks polar form of a complex number, not necessary all, just keep in your mind this table, very important point of this table, not necessary remaining all you read it, but this one is perfected, that is very important point. That is second quadrant, negative, positive. Here this is x, this is y, this is x, this is y represents. Here theta is equal to what? Second quadrant theta is equal to pi minus alpha. This represents what? Pi as it is, alpha meaning tan inverse y by x and its modulus. Understood? Third quadrant, that is both are negative, x is negative, y is negative, this x y coordinate system, x is positive, y is positive, x is negative, y is positive, x is negative, y is negative. Theta is equal to, that is minus of pi minus alpha. Third quadrant, same opposite sign, this can be written minus, that is pi minus tan inverse y by x and its modulus. Fourth quadrant, here positive, negative, x, this is y, theta is equal to minus alpha, that is theta is equal to minus tan inverse y by x and its modulus. Here keep in your mind, this is the formula for the polar representation of the complex number. Formula, keep in your mind this table, perfect. Yes, it is solved example for polar form of a complex number. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, x comma y, x is positive, y is positive, x is negative, y is positive, x is negative, y is negative, x is positive, y is negative. If both are positive, theta is equal to alpha means tan inverse y by x and its modulus, read as tan inverse y by x and its modulus. Second quadrant, pi minus alpha means tan inverse y by x and its modulus. Theta is equal to minus of pi minus alpha, that is minus as it is pi minus tan inverse y by x and its modulus. Theta is equal to minus alpha, theta is equal to minus tan inverse y by x and its modulus. That is here one important point is there. that is here theta represents note, that is here that is we know that tan 0 degree is equal to 0. This can be expressed in the form of, if 0 degree capacities, that is tan take right side tan inverse of 0 in inverse function in this form. Suppose f of x is equal to y x, if function take right side f inverse of y. Second one, we know that tan 30 degree in the form of pi by 6, tan 30 degree in the form of pi by 6, that is tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3 value. This can be expressed in the form of tan take right side becomes pi by 6 as it is, that is tan inverse of 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Next, that is third one, here tan 45 degree is equal to 1, that is tan 45 degree is equal to what? 1. This can be expressed in the form of theta take left side as it is, pi by 4 is equal to tan inverse of 1, that is tan inverse of 1. Next, that is tan, here tan 0 degree, tan 30 degree, tan 45 degree, tan 60 degree is equal to pi by 3 is equal to above root 3. This can be expressed in the form of, this take right side, that is pi by 3 capacities, that is tan become tan inverse of root 3, root 3. Here, that is last one more, that is fifth one, tan inverse or tan 90 degree pi by 2, tan 90 degree is equal to infinity. Tan 90 is what? Infinity. Infinity in another name not defined. This can be expressed in the form of, that is pi by 2 is equal to tan inverse of infinity, tan inverse of infinity. This is not simple, not defined. Keep in your mind this table for tan express. If tan 0 degree is equal to 0, if 0 degree is equal to what? Tan inverse of 0, function take right side. Tan 30 degree, tan pi by 6 is equal to 1 by root 3. Pi by 6 is what? Tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degree is equal to what? 1. Pi by 4 means 45 degree. If tan take right side, pi by 4 as it is, tan inverse of 1. Tan 60 degree, tan pi by 3 means tan 60 degree, value is what? Root 3. Pi by 3 capacities, tan take right side, tan becomes tan inverse of root 3. Tan 90 degree, tan pi by 2 is not defined. Not defined meaning is what? Infinity. That is pi by 2 capacities, tan take right side, tan inverse infinity. If you keep in your mind, that is one note is there, that is here any number divided by 0, any number divided by 0, meaning is what? Not defined. Not defined means infinity. Here in your notes, all of you got that is the print notes, that is here tan inverse I will explain in x and y. Take is there in your textbook, in taken in b and a or b is there. Tan, that is tan inverse y by x. This is the amplitude. Amplitude meaning theta. Theta means argument. Here or in the form of both meaning same. That is tan inverse b by a. Both are same. Here this is imaginary part, this is real part, or this is imaginary part, this is real part. Here I will take in tan inverse of y by x is there, for in your print notes in the form of b by a is there. Both meaning same. It means what? Z defined in the form of x plus iy, or z defined in the form of a plus ib. Both are same meaning. If you keep in your mind, x is real part, y is imaginary part. Here in examples taken here, suppose z is equal to 1 plus I is there, 1 plus I suppose. Here real part is 1, imaginary part is 1. For taken in the form of quadrant, consider this is a complex number, z is equal to x plus I y form, x plus I y form. Here x is what? Positive. Here y is what? Positive. This positive belongs to what? That is first quadrant. First quadrant taken in the form of this. Understood? Quadrant find out. Here x is positive, y is positive, belongs to first quadrant. Suppose if you take z is equal to, suppose 1 minus I is there, 1 minus I. Here z is what? That is z is equal to complex number x minus iy form is there, x minus iy form. Here x is what? That is x is positive, y is what? Negative. Belongs to which quadrant? That is in the form of x is positive, y value is negative. Positive, negative belongs to which quadrant? That is they belongs to fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, that is belongs to fourth quadrant. Here quadrant find out x value, y value depend upon. Here find out the quadrant to find the value of amplitude or theta. R means modulus of a complex number or mod z, and theta means amplitude. Amplitude depend upon quadrant. I will explain for a table is there, one table. Amplitude depend upon quadrant. Here next I will start for examples on polar form of a complex number. Okay. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಿಷ?